Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. We've got a new piece of metal I'm about to shape out for a Bolex fader part. And it's just time to go ahead and get flattening and get the whole process started all over again. So let's keep going. Okay, so far with the diamond file, the rust on this particular, on the fader part, yeah, it looks like I'm going to be able to save it. I'll continue to find out. So far so good on one side. On the other side you can see the damage, and I'll see how that's going to go. So I'm going to keep on working on it. So I've got this flat diamond file here, and I'm going to keep filing this down, the rust. I have to move it around at different angles in order to do so. So far so good. Just removing the rust. So we'll continue to find out in different areas such as this how it's going to play out. Lift up on it, on the diamond file, scrub down on it like that, work that rust off. As you can see, we're making some progress. Time will tell. With this part of the fader, this leaf spring right here within there, so far it's doing really good. As you can see, with the sandpaper I've gotten it really clean. So we'll flip it over, and you can see the dirty side, okay, the corroded side, a bit of surface rust, and we'll start working on that with the sandpaper. It generally doesn't take too long, and we start seeing some progress, just like that. And there you go. This is what we have so far. One side, the other side, and this part was salvageable. Use a diamond file and get inside this opening, and it's best to use a diamond file to go around the outer edges. And these small parts here. These diamond files really cut through a lot of things smoothly. Before I put this piece off to the side, I'm going to take some 3-in-1 oil and wipe on this part so it won't rust. Later I'll re-blue this part with a torch. That'll be the final processing, so it will not rust. But for now, here's some 3-in-1 oil for rust protectant, anti-rust. And we'll place this off to the back here with the other pieces that are finished, with the exception of bluing. Next, this part within the fader, right here. For the most part, it looks really good. There's a small amount of surface rust here that you can probably see. Flip it over. bit of rust around the that opening right there where that lever goes, but other than that, it looks quite good. So go ahead and get started on that. Between diamond filing and sandpaper. Rubbing some of this stuff out here. Be careful with these parts and support them well so they don't break in half. When you're using a diamond file, move it around, just like so. Get an angle on what you're working on, and that will serve you well. Alright, moving some of the rust off right now. Remember to get all these corners and sides. Diamond tool is a great unit to use in accomplishing this. Gets it done quickly, smoothly, and finely. See what I mean? Okay everyone, these are just some of the fader parts so far that have been salvageable and that I've cleaned up. There's some more to go and more to come on this issue and subject, as you know. Do contact me at the social media outlets located on the screen, and do subscribe for more videos like this, other Bolex videos, and other videos concerning low budget and experimental filmmaking. Until next time, see ya!